Very warm welcome to all of you. So today I'm back with another interview question. So in this question, we have a task to create a program of factorial. Okay, as you all know, what is factorial? So factorial is something like, the factorial is if we want to generate a factorial numbers of 4. Okay, so that is 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 1, which is 4 3s are 12, 12 to the 24, and 24 into the 1. Okay, so that is 24. The factorial of 4 is 24. Okay, so how to generate these numbers for 24 and factorial of 3 and factorial of 2, something like that. Okay, so first of all we will have to create a baseline. Okay, well, what is the baseline? So we'll have to initialize the values. For example, if we want to generate some numbers, so we have to start from somewhere. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so select 1 as number and 1 as a factorial. Okay, sorry. Okay, so the factorial of 1 is 1. Okay, everybody knows. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move few more rows. Okay, like I want to add the factorial of 2 and the factorial of 3 and the factorial of 4. So if I want to create the factorial of 2, so that means I can add the 1 into this value, into the number value. Okay, and I can keep adding 1 1 1 into the number column. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, select 1 plus number. Okay, and so this is the number column. Okay, so it is sorted. So now how to generate the factorial for the number column? For example, this number column will generate a 2 because 1, the value of 1 is, the value of number is 1, and the 1 plus 1 2, so that means it will give us the factorial of 2. So the value of the factorial will be generated here. So the formula of the factorial would be factorial factorial multiply n plus 1. All right, sorry, number plus 1. All right, so what is this? If we want to create a number for 2-second number factorial, so the number of the value of the number is 1 and the 1 plus 1 is 2, and the factorial is 1. Okay, then 1 multiplied by 2, 1 plus 1 2, so the factorial would be 2 of factorial of 2 is 2 because 2 multiplied by 1. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is, to create this we will create a CTE. All right, so, and everybody knows that if we want to add rows, if we want to merge rows row by row, so we can use the union. Okay, union all we're going to use here. All right, and we are using this number and this factorial keyword in this CTE, from the CTE. Okay, so from CTE. All right, and we are putting a condition. We want the factorial till the number 5 less than 5. All right, okay, so let's run this. Select strict from CTE. All right, so here we go. The number, the factorial of 3 is 6. As you know, after second factorial, the number of the value is become 2. Okay, then for the third iteration, 2 plus 1 3. Okay, and the factorial, the value of the factorial would be 2. Okay, so the 2 is here, and 2 multiplied by, and 2 plus 1, which is 3, 3 multiplied by 2, which is 6. Okay, so the factorial is 6. Okay, and same is like this, the factorial 3 plus 1 is 4. On the fourth iteration, the value of number is 3. Okay, and 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, and the factorial value is 6. All right, so 6 multiplied by 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1 4, 4 multiplied by 6 24. Okay, and the fifth iteration, the value of number is 4. Okay, so that's why it is 5 here. Okay, as you can see, when the number is less than 5, but the 5 is here because the number was 4 here actually. As you know, when the iteration of 4, the fourth iteration, the value of the number was 3, and the fifth iteration, the value of the number was 4. 4 plus 1 then it became 5. Okay, then the 5 and the factorial value was 24. 24 multiplied by 4, 1 plus 5, 5, then 120. Okay, so that's how you can generate this factorial. Okay, so hope you guys learned something, and if you have upload your or paste your output in the description box. All right, thank you so much.